Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make followers on Facebook visible. So if you're trying to make your followers visible so anyone can see the number of followers or who is following you, you just simply need to go to your menu. Now depending on your device, you could tap on the top right corner or at the bottom right corner. For iOS devices, you're going to tap on menu at the bottom right corner. Then you want to tap on professional dashboard. Then you're going to tap on settings. So our goal is to get to settings. And at the top, you can see settings and privacy. Now, Facebook changes the pattern and locations of these things from time to time. So you want to look for settings and privacy, then scroll down to where you have audience and visibility, this section right here, and then tap followers and public content. Now here among the options, the second one, you can see there, who can see your followers on Facebook. So from what's written right there, you can see it's only me, that it's only you if that's your case. So if you want to make your followers on Facebook visible, you can tap on this and you can make it public. This will make your followers for anyone on or off Facebook to be visible. You could tap on public and then tap save, and that does it for you. So this is how to make followers on Facebook visible.